Hey guys, it's your girl Peachie, and today I'm going to be doing a mini Adidas haul. I personally love haul videos because I think they can be kind of useful. If I'm ever shopping online, I like to look at things in a video before I buy it. I'm just weird like that. I'm actually not supposed to be buying more clothing because I honestly have way too much already, but this sale was just too good to pass up upon. I'm probably gonna return a lot of these things because they're not really my size, but yeah, I'm gonna pop open this box. I've been waiting all day to open this and I'm super excited. Okay, so the first thing I see are my t-shirts. I bought 2 t-shirts. So this is a extra small black t-shirt. It feels kind of funny. It's not really cotton. It feels kind of like chiffon. I kind of wanted the blue one, but I decided to go with black because black is always a safe option. So I bought 2 of these t-shirts because they seem to have really long sleeves, and I just love t-shirts with really long sleeves because then I don't have to shave. Hallelujah! So this t-shirt is a little bit hard to put on because it's not stretchy at all, but there is a zipper at the back, so this is a very unique t-shirt, that's for sure. So the next shirt I got is this light purple one. This purple is a bit darker than I expected it to be, but it's all good. So this is a 3 stripes tee, and I'm pretty sure the color is called Purple Glow. And yeah, oh my god, this t-shirt is huge. This is a size small, by the way. Hopefully it won't look too baggy on me. So the next thing I got is this purple Trefoil hoodie, and I've always wanted one of these because they just look so comfortable, but you kind of become like a giant Adidas billboard. So I don't think that this is gonna look that good on me because when I tried these on in the store, only an extra small looked good on me. So either Adidas sizes are just super large, or I have like a really small upper body, have no arm muscles, have no boobs. It doesn't look as baggy as I remembered it. So this hoodie was only $23, which is really cheap compared to their original price, and I never see extra small in cute colors anyway, so I just said to myself, this hoodie is so cheap that I'm just gonna fit into it. Like, I don't care how big it is, if it makes me look like a sack of potatoes, like, I'll just steal. I might return this later though, I don't know yet. So I bought another Adidas jacket, and I already have a pink one, but this one was only $35, so I couldn't help myself. And I also don't know if I'm gonna fit into this either because it's in a size small. It doesn't look too big! So the last thing that I bought in this haul is a cropped hoodie, and this one is in a peach color, perfect for peachies. This is in a size extra small. I don't know how cropped this is, but I hope it's not too cropped because my belly gets cold. So this is what it looks like. I really like the color of this hoodie. I think it's super cute, and I'm probably gonna keep this one because it's long enough to cover my belly. And it was only $20, like. So that's everything that I got in this Adidas haul. I'm probably gonna return the purple things, but I'm not sure yet. They just don't seem to fit me that well. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and that it was helpful. Thank you again so much for joining me today on Peachie's Projects, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!